Hi, my name is Gary Trott, and welcome to this series of how-to videos on SmartCast technology, the simplest and most intuitive intelligent lighting product available today. In this segment, I'm going to show you how to add a switch to a switch group. And a switch group is a group of luminaires that is controlled by a switch or a group of switches. They turn on or off when you hit the switch, basic functionality. And in this case, to do this is very simple because we use a CT or configuration tool. And this CT has already been connected to the network. And so the first thing that we do is we hit Modify Groups, and then Add Devices to a Group, and then Add Devices to a Group, Switch. So it enters into select mode. And the first thing is I want to pick the switch that controls the switch group that I want to work with. And so I come over here, and the instructions say press the Cree logo until it's selected. And the great thing is that the CT will actually respond and the lights actually dim down that are controlled so you know you selected it. And now I have to choose a device to add to the selected group. Now in this scenario, my colleague on the other side of the room is going to add another switch. So I'm going to ask him to push that button, and he's going to do that and press and hold it. Okay, and now that has been selected. And then it's actually the counter has gone up to 1. We don't want to add another, just that one. So we're going to hit done. And then the device has been added to the group. And then I go back to the main menu, and I'm going to ask him to press the button one more time, and these lights should turn off. Okay, they did, and back on. And so now you've added a switch to a switch group, and now you can go to all the other how-to videos we have on our website and learn about the other amazing features of SmartCast technology.